In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size on Wix. This is a useful skill to personalize your website and make the text more readable for your audience. Whether you're creating a brand new site or making updates, adjusting font size can dramatically enhance the overall look and feel of your page. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Wix website editor. This is your main hub for editing your site's content. Once you're logged in, you'll see your website's layout display before you, filled with all the elements you've added. Now, let's say there's a particular section of text that's either too big or too small for your liking, and you want to modify it to better fit the aesthetic or improve clarity. Next, using your mouse or trackpad, navigate to the section of your website that contains the text you want to change. Once you locate it, simply click on the text box. This action will highlight the text box, and a small menu should appear around it. Signaling that you're ready to make edits from the menu that appears, you're going to select Edit Text. Doing this opens up a text settings panel on the right side of your screen. This panel is a powerful tool giving you multiple options for customizing your text, including color, font family, and of course, font size. Within the text settings panel, look for the section labeled Font Size. Here you will find a slider or a number box next to it. This is where the magic happens. You can simply click and drag the slider to adjust the size of your text to your desired level. It's a great way to see real-time changes on your screen, helping you to gauge the perfect size that fits the design you're going for. Alternatively, if you have a specific font size in mind, you can directly type the number into the box. This precise approach can be especially handy if you're trying to maintain consistency across different sections of your website. Once you've input your desired size, your text will adjust accordingly, and you can see exactly how it will appear to your visitors. And there you have it. Making font size adjustments on your Wix site is as simple and flexible as that. With these steps, you can now easily enhance your site's readability and visual appeal, ensuring that your content is not only seen, but also enjoyed by your visitors. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore more tutorials to further enhance your website building skills. Happy editing!